Are you wondering how I get to this state of this portrait using charcoal and graphite powder? Then log in, because in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of this portrait, tools and materials used, how I use them in their appropriate time and style when needed. Wait, in my next video I'm going to teach you the easy way to grade method. That's how to transfer your reference to your support using the grade method and the best software to use. But unless this video gets 200 likes, so make sure you like and subscribe. Here are the tools and materials I used, and they are also listed in the description below. So now we are done with our sketch, so we are going to block our background for a perfect focus on the image. So first of all, we are going to erase the marks or guides of the grade to avoid the lines to show in our background. After this, we are going to need our big and soft brush and a very light graded charcoal or graphite powder. So with step-by-step process, we are going to apply the powder on our background. And please take note, make sure the blocking of your background never be too dark or too light from your image. So make sure you balance every shades according to your reference photo, and you can see mine. tired? No, I don't think so. Let me ask you a question. What do you do to get into your creative zone? Now think of your answer because we are going to share it at the end of the video. Now, where are we? Oh, yeah, we are about to take the main challenge. So I firstly laid down my first layer with a graphite 2B pencil. You can also choose to use a powder instead. Then after, we are going to use a blending stamp to blend and soften the edges. So after my first layer is set, I now moved in with my charcoal powders for my second and third layers. Please take note, your powders have to be graded. That's from hard to soft or from light to dark. So after laying down our layers, we are now in for our detailing. With the detailing, we are going to need our mono zero eraser, our pencil eraser not very important when you already have the mono zero eraser and our kneaded eraser. The mono zero erasers are for small detailing and sharp marks or lines, while the kneaded erasers are for the removal of excessive amount of powder and a blurry edge or details. Now, after we've created our detailing marks with our erasers, there comes our graphite pencils to create shadows under, behind, beside, and on top of our marks to create a natural and realistic skin textures. So here we go. Let's repeat all the process over and over again when needed. And please take note, make sure you are following your reference photo and you are not doing anything opposite. Following your reference is one of the most important aspects in creating a realistic or hyper-realistic drawings. So make sure your reference is always next to your drawing. Now, thank you for your good learning skills. Just stay in and let's enjoy the rest of the video with this amazing audio. has corrected all your past mistakes in drawing. If this video was very helpful to you, please like and subscribe for more interesting content like this. And now we are back to our question, which is, what do you do to get into your creative zone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your time. See you on the next video.